Hello children, so let us start with our video class of class 7th Geography first chapter. Let us continue that of environment. Geography first chapter, that is environment. So in the last class we have learned about what is environment. So the surrounding around us is called as the environment. So the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. So the place, the things and the people, okay, and the nature that surrounds us is called as what? The environment. It is called as environment that surrounds to any living organisms. It is called as environment. It is the combination of natural and man-made phenomena. So in our environment we can see both the natural and the man-made things. Like for example, natural hills. Then we can say that we can see the mountains are there, rivers are there, okay, forests are there. All these things are the natural phenomena. And what is the man-made phenomena? The roads, buildings. So these are all the man-made phenomena. So in the last session we have learned about the components of the environment. What are the three components of the environment? It is the natural, man-made or the human-made and human. These are the three components of environment. So all the three components of the environment are interdependent on each other. Okay. So let us study about the natural environment, the first component of environment in detail. Okay. The natural environment. What is this natural environment now? Land, water, air, plants and animal comprise together to form the natural environment. So the land, air, water, animals, plants, okay, all these things they combine together to form a natural environment. They form a natural environment. Now domains of the natural environment. So which are the important points of the natural environment? The domains of natural environment. Which are the domains of the natural environment? First, lithosphere. Which is that? First is lithosphere. It is the solid crust on or the hard top layer of earth. What is lithosphere? It is the solid crust, means the upper layer of our earth is called as what? Lithosphere. The upper layer of or the hard top layer of the earth is called as lithosphere. So this is one of the important thing, lithosphere. What are its uses now? The uses of the lithosphere, where we can live. Okay. It is a land where we can live. We can grow fields where the animals can have, where the plants grow and animals can go and eat the grass and all. So this is the uses of the lithosphere. What is this? This is the uses of the lithosphere. So lithosphere is one of the important thing in the domain of the environment, because it is the place where we human beings and all the animals and the plants are existed in on the earth, are being on the earth, on the land. Okay. Next is the hydrosphere. It is the domain of water. So it is the sources of water. What is it? Sources of water like rivers, lakes, okay, then ponds. These all are the domains of water or the sources of water. So water is one of the important thing for a living beings to exist. Without water we can't live for many days. Okay. Next is the atmosphere. It is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. So atmosphere is a thin layer of the air around the earth. So the earth is there and around it we are having the atmosphere as a cover. Okay. So this layer round the earth is called as a atmosphere. So it is made of air. Air is there. Okay, the air. Then what kind of the airs are there? We have hydrogen in it, we have carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, all this combine together to form this atmosphere. All this air, they combine together to form this atmosphere. And what are the uses of this atmosphere now? It protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Okay, which is the harmful rays of the sun? The ultraviolet rays. So this ultraviolet rays, it comes from the sun rays. It comes from the sun rays. So this rays, it doesn't penetrate, it doesn't come to the earth surface because of this atmosphere. Our atmosphere, it's ozone. Okay, it stops or it covers this rays from reaching the earth's surface. So that is why this atmosphere is a very important thing. And the air we breathe, the oxygen, is one of the important components in this air or this atmosphere. Okay, next is the biosphere. What is biosphere? The living things, plants and animals, means the flora and the fauna. Okay, the plants and the animals, they kingdom together makes a biosphere. So they together makes the biosphere. So on the earth's surface we can have so many varieties of the plants are there, so many different kinds of the animals live on the earth's surface. So that is why this biosphere is one of the important existence, or it is one of the important domain of natural environment. This is one of the important domain of the natural environment. So let us recall once again of all those things. What is environment? The place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. What is that? This is the question for the environment. Okay, it is the combination of nature and human-made phenomena. So it is the combination, it is the combined, okay, it is the combined nature of human and the natural phenomena. About the natural environment, what is natural environment? Land, water, air, plants, animals and plants are all together forms the natural environment. Domains of the natural environment. How many domains are there? 4 domains of the natural environment are there. First one is lithosphere, means the solid crust, or we can tell the hard top layer of the earth. Then hydrosphere, it is the domain of water, the sources of water. Third one is the atmosphere. Atmosphere means the air which surrounds the earth, which protects the earth from the harmful rays of the sun. That is the atmosphere. Fourth one is the biosphere. Biosphere is nothing but about the plants and the animals. They together form the biosphere. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. So we will continue the lesson. In the next video we will go for human-made or the man-made environment. Okay, thank you.